If CLAT is just 1 month away and you feel underprepared, do not panic. 30 days are enough to significantly improve your score if you follow a disciplined and structured plan. The first thing you must understand is that this is not the time to start new books. It is the time to refine what you already know. Divide these 30 days into 3 phases. In the first 10 days, focus on repairing your weak areas. Take a mock test and identify your lowest scoring section. Spend extra time strengthening that section through targeted practice. Revise basic concepts and solve sectional tests daily. This phase is about building confidence and removing major conceptual gaps. In the next 10 days, increase mock frequency. Take one full mock every alternate day. But remember, analysis is more important than the test itself. Spend at least 3 hours analyzing each mock deeply. At the same time, revise current affairs daily. Do not allow general knowledge to accumulate without revision. In the final 10 days, shift focus from learning to polishing. Reduce the number of mocks slightly and concentrate on accuracy. Revise GK multiple times. Practice legal reasoning passages under strict time limits. Avoid experimenting with new strategies during the last week. Stick to what has worked for you. Your daily schedule should include newspaper reading in the morning, legal reasoning practice in the afternoon, logical and quantitative practice in the evening, and revision at night. Maintain proper sleep and do not overburden yourself. Consistency in these 30 days can create dramatic improvement. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.